Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So, this week I decided I wanted something relatively simple, not too complicated, but also fairly hearty. So, we're going to have the classic steak and potatoes this week. Anyway, let's take a look at the ingredients, see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. We have a lovely sirloin steak and a couple of packages of boiled potatoes. That's basically what we're working with. Let's go ahead and see to these potatoes. All right, so I'm going to open up these potatoes here, and we're just going to cut them up some. But first, get them onto the cutting board here. Smell good. All right, now that we've got these cut up, we're going to add some seasoning. I'm thinking some of this Flavor Bomb Burger seasoning. Stuff is really, really good. All right, I moved these to a different container and added a whole bunch of these seasoning. We're going to go ahead and set these aside and move to the steak. All right, add some butter in the pan. Let's go ahead and get this melted. All right, my butter's melted. I have this brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Put some into the pan here. We're just going to drop in the steak and add in a bunch more of the seasoning. Here we go. Oh, plenty. There we go. Nice. Let's turn this over. I think our steak might actually be done. Let's go ahead and microwave our potatoes, get them in line. Okay, we're just going to microwave these for a little while until they're hot. All right, these seem to be pretty hot now. Let's go ahead and make some dinner. Well, I think that looks like dinner. Let's go ahead and try it out. All right. Moment of truth. I have here some sirloin steak and some boiled potatoes with seasoning. I think this is going to be pretty good here. So first of all, everything smells really, really good. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. First, let's try some of this sirloin steak. There we go. Nice big piece there. All right. Oh, my God, that is excellent. Nice and tender, very smooth taste, and the seasoning gives it a little bit of extra flavor. All right, let's try some of these boiled potatoes here. Oh, I like these. Okay, these are excellent, but the seasoning on these really does enhance the flavor. But of course, the star is this sirloin steak. This is surprisingly tender, and it's very flavorful with the seasoning that I put on there. But honestly, this is really good steak. God, it's surprisingly good. And of course, some nice seasoned boiled potatoes. So this whole thing came about because I had a steak I wanted to make, and I decided it would be interesting to put some seasoning on boiled potatoes. And honestly, I was not disappointed with either one. So different seasonings, different kinds of ingredients, and in the end, a pretty hearty steak and potatoes dinner. So I have most of this steak left, and some of these potatoes, plus a bunch of potatoes behind me. I can eat those again at a later date. And I'm not going to eat all these steak tonight. This is kind of a lot, but I will have plenty left over for another time. So, as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll see you in the next video.